and thanks for watching. Today, we're going to talk about emotions as a cause of disease, because yes, in Chinese medicine, emotions are literally considered a cause of disease. This can happen when someone is having a particular emotion for a very long time. A good example is frustration. Being frustrated is not harmful. But if there is a situation in life that makes you angry or frustrated for a long period of time, this will eventually cause an internal disharmony. The symptoms and signs that you can experience greatly depend on the emotion, because every emotion affects a different internal organ. The 7 main emotions and their correlated internal organs are as follow. Anger affects the liver. Joy and shock affect the heart. Sadness affects the lungs. Worry and pensiveness affect the spleen. Fear affects the kidneys. Please understand that these are the 7 main emotions, but they all have a broader sense. For example, some allied emotional states of anger are irritability, frustration, animosity, and bitterness. All these emotions can have the same effect on the liver as anger. By the way, it can also be the other way around. If your liver is out of balance due to a certain lifestyle, this may cause you to be irritable or short-tempered all the time, even though there is no reason for that. Now, the question is, what are the effects of our emotions on the body? In the first place, emotions affect the proper circulation of energy in our body. So in time, this will cause stagnation. Common examples are tense shoulders, headache or grinding of teeth, and anyone who's familiar with periods of stress can probably relate to one of these symptoms. Now, when energy stagnates for a longer period of time, this can eventually lead to other forms of stagnation, like stagnation of blood or body fluids. Long-term stagnation can also turn into heat, which will be reflected on the tongue. People with internal heat tend to have a red and dry tongue. All these forms of stagnation have their own symptoms and signs and can eventually lead to bigger, more serious problems, so it's best to prevent emotional stress altogether. Several ways to do this is to talk when something is bothering you, meditate to calm the mind, or by releasing some tension through sports and activities. Emotions are our internal cause of disease, but please note that in Chinese medicine, we also have external causes of disease and miscellaneous causes of disease. Stay tuned for updates on those subjects in the near future. Thank you for watching.